Welcome back. In more pandemic news tonight, the United States Supreme Court has halted President Biden's vaccine mandate for large private businesses.
It's the decision in an emergency session held last week following a lawsuit from Missouri's Attorney General and other conservative states over the mandate. The court's conservative majority says the White House overstepped its authority by seeking to impose the OSHA vaccine or test rule on businesses with at least 100 employees, affecting more than 80 million Americans. But at the same time, the court says it will allow the administration to proceed with a similar vaccine requirement for most healthcare workers. The court voted 5-4 in that case, with Chief Justice John Roberts and Trump appointee Brett Kavanaugh siding with the liberals. The mandate covers virtually all healthcare workers in the country, applying to providers that receive federal Medicare or Medicaid funding. It potentially affects 76,000 healthcare facilities, as well as some home healthcare providers. It offers some medical and religious exemptions. A separate mandate for federal contractors has been put on hold by a lower appeals court. It's not been heard by the Supreme Court.
And a private business here in mid-Missouri was one of 4 to sign on to the Attorney General's lawsuit against the vaccine mandate. ABC 17's Hannah Falcon joins us live after talking to that business following the Supreme Court's decision. And Hannah, the Attorney General says Doolittle trailers may have closed if it had to enforce the vaccine mandate.
Deb Lucas, Doolittle Trailers in Holts Summit tells me that their employees would have quit if they were forced to take part in a vaccine or weekly testing program, which is why it chose to sign on to the Attorney General's lawsuit.
The real winners are also the thousands of business owners whose businesses would have been decimated, including some family-owned businesses that have been around for generations.
Attorney General Eric Schmidt celebrates the win today as the Supreme Court sides in his favor on the vaccine mandate for large businesses. I first spoke to Kyle Caraway in November when Doolittle Trailers signed on to the Attorney General's lawsuit against the federal mandate for businesses with 100 or more employees to require either COVID-19 vaccines or weekly testing. Now that the Supreme Court has blocked the mandate,
it's a sigh of relief.
Doolittle Trailer was worried employees would quit if the mandate went into place.
Knew that we would experience a significant drop in the size of our team because we supported our team members' right to choose for themselves how they were going to protect themselves and their families.
However, the vaccine mandate for healthcare workers is still in place.
But we're going to keep fighting. It's going back to the 8th Circuit.
The Supreme Court's ruling comes just 9 days after that January 4th deadline originally set by President Biden for companies to start enforcing the vaccine mandate. Reporting live, I'm Hannah Falcon, ABC 17 News.
Thank you, Hannah. Republican lawmakers are reacting to today's Supreme Court decision. Missouri Congresswoman Vicky Hartzler says she applauds the ruling blocking mandates for large businesses, but says the decision on healthcare workers violates employees' constitutional rights. Congressman Blaine Luetkemeyer says the private business ruling is a step in the right direction for economic freedom and small businesses. Senator Josh Hawley made similar comments on Twitter saying, quote, "Big victory for liberty, the rule of law, and the Constitution." President Biden said in a statement that he's, quote, disappointed in the ruling blocking the vaccination requirements for big employers and plans to encourage the mandate on a voluntary basis.
So President Biden, you'll see this in his statement, will be calling on and will continue to call on businesses to immediately join those who have already stepped up, including 1/3 of Fortune 100 companies, to institute vaccination requirements to protect their workers, customers, and communities. We have to keep working together in order to get this done to save more lives.